Hello folks, if you're having problems with Windows Update, you can do this right here. It's a Windows Update Fixer tool. You just have to search for it online. Just run Fix Windows Update, and I would do advanced mode and select this stuff. No, don't do SFC. You can, but you ain't got to. I will go back there, switch to normal mode, and just do Fix Windows Update. It stops the services and deleting software distribution, whatever. But yeah, see, it just resets everything. So now you go to, let's see here. Okay, you go right here and go back to Windows Update. It resets it. Last check today, well, it didn't do it, but try this again. See what I did wrong. Something's wrong. Okay, let's see here. I will do the advanced, but 50-bit services start. Oh, it's already running. You click fix. Everything's running. Okay. I don't want to run SFC. So PowerShell comes up for some reason. So, okay. I guess it just reset everything for sure this time. Let's see what it did. Oh, what is it doing? I broke something. It still says today. But if you're having problems, you can still try that tool. Just Google the tool and you should find it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Look at that. A screen. Inside a screen. Inside a screen. I wonder how many times it's inside each other, but okay. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.